If you're thinking to buy or sell investment property or multifamily real estate, hiring the right agent is an absolute must. And here's why. There are 7 traits you absolutely need in an agent to maximize your returns, whether you're buying or selling. One is market knowledge. Every neighborhood has its own benefits and investment potential that a good agent should understand. And unfortunately, not many residential agents dedicate the time and resources to gain a deeper understanding of local real estate markets, including neighborhood trends, property values, and investment opportunities, so that they could provide you with an accurate and up-to-date information to help you make informed investment decisions. The second one is an experienced agent with investment properties is essential whether you're looking to buy or sell, and an agent who has experience working with investors that understand real estate as a business, such as finding properties with high potential for appreciation, resell value, or rental income, and can educate the buyers on the benefits of investing in properties like long-term appreciation, return on investment, cash-on-cash returns, using IRAs to buy properties, and so on. A regular, inexperienced agent won't be able to negotiate the best price for you to get you the most money. Look for someone who has successfully assisted hundreds of investors in the past and has a track record successfully helping investors with investment real estate. The third trait is reputation. An agent with a strong reputation among his peers, including other real estate professionals, lenders, contractors, and property managers, can be a valuable asset. Their connections can help you navigate the investment process more smoothly and provide access to resources that might help you as an investor, including experience dealing with tenants and the nuances typically associated with investment properties. If you like this content, feel free to subscribe so that you can get other iterations. That would be great, and I appreciate it. The fourth trait is analytical skills. An investor-focused agent should possess strong analytical skills. They should be able to evaluate potential investment properties, again, based on factors like cash return, return on investment, repair costs, market trends, and any potential risks. Who can help you assess the financial viability of property is invaluable. I can do that for you because I've done that and I've been there. The fifth is communication and follow through. Effective communication is crucial when working with an agent. They should be responsive to your inquiries, promptly return calls or emails, and keep you updated on new opportunities and or the status of your current transaction. I listen attentively to my clients and I understand their investment goals. Now, what are the most important traits any agent should have? Number 6, negotiation skills. Unfortunately, not many agents possess strong negotiation skills or are prepared in helping you get the best possible price and terms for your investment properties. They should be confident, assertive, and adept at negotiating and getting you the best results. Again, I've been there and done that. And last but not least, look for an agent with a strong, and this is the 7th trait, reputation and integrity, and as well as professionalism, that prioritizes your best interests and adhere to ethical standards. With over 30 years of experience and a great reputation, you're at a disadvantage, quite frankly, if you use any less trained competitor. And remember, real estate is all about the 4 Ps that must be effectively implemented in any real estate sales strategy to produce the best possible results. Therefore, interviewing and selecting the best agent to represent you in the sale of your property should be top of mind. By the way, check some of these other videos with information that can bring some light into this aspect of real estate. If you like this content, feel free to subscribe, like it, or share it with somebody that might use it. If you're thinking about selling or have a question or are curious, I'd be more than happy to assist you and set some time for a free consultation, no obligation. Okay, feel free to call, text, or email me. Thank you very much.